Okay, so let's have a look at the answer to the chart on the previous page. So where would you move your stop to break even? Our break even rule here is 15 pips profit. So our entry price is 1.5841. So let's just remember the 41 to make it simple, the last two digits. Remember, we're only paying attention to the 4 decimal places. The 5th decimal place is just a fraction of a pip. So 15 pips profit. If we have 1.5841, so 41 plus 15 is 56. So we want to see 15 pips profit. So from 41 to 56 is 15 pips. So the price where we would want to move to break even is when price reaches 15 pips profit. So the stop will be moved to break even when price reaches the indicated line. So I hope you got that right. If you didn't, you may want to go over the break even section again and make sure that you understand exactly what was covered. You may want to go over all the examples again as well. Please continue over to the next page where we will move on to targets.